Hi everyone, I am Vikas. Welcome back to my channel infomorebox. Today I am going to tell you about how to pass Seller Flex onboard assessment test. If you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will receive information update in future also. The multiple choice question will appear when you select the quiz option of onboarding assessment. In this quiz program, total number of 30 questions will come. 5 questions on your screen. Can you update the dimension during the inbound? I am submitting the yes answer. Now the next question is, after inbounding without PO, how long does it takes the inventory to go live? I am submitting the 1 hour, which may be wrong. What are the options available when the existing inventory in your SF 2.0 panel? I am selecting the option of all of the above. The other remaining questions also come up like this. In the last few minutes we will also able to see the Hindi quiz. After the quiz is over, you can see the correct answer to the questions. If you need any consultancy about marketplace like Amazon, Flipkart, etc., then you can contact me on the number 8527433322. The last question is, can you provide the customized role for new user? I am submitting the yes answer. After submitting last question, we receive the congratulation message of course completion. And the score of the quiz is 83.3%. Now you are watching all the correct answers on the screen. The correct answer of the first question is Java and QZ tray. The answer of the second question is yes. You can see the correct answers of the questions which were wrongly submitted. In this way you can see all the correct answers. इंग्लिश की क्विज ओवर होने के बाद आप हिंदी में भी क्विज के आंसर चेक कर सकते हैं। This is all about Amazon assessment test program. If you think this video is informative and helpful in passing your assessment onboarding test of Amazon, then give a thumbs up. And if you are a new seller and you want a consultancy for marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, etc., then you can contact me on the number 8527433322. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe this channel